Hello guys, today's video is not a recipe video. Today's video is all about product unboxing and its honest review. It's not a paid promotion video, so today I will unbox my brand new Faber air fryer which I have purchased from Amazon. And in the end of this video I will share one recipe by using this air fryer. So let's get started. So the brand is Faber and the capacity of this air fryer is 6 liters. So let's open it. So here I can see some accessories is there, so I will cover all this thing later. So it's a manual and here is a recipe book. So if you are a beginner, then you can easily follow the recipes and make some delicious dishes. So let's take out the product from the box. So here is the final product. First let's open the plastic cover so it's properly stick with the sellotape. So I can say that the packaging is very good. So guys, this is the final product, and in the back side there is a power cable and it's also packed. So let's open it up. The capacity of the air fryer is 6 liters and it consumes 1500 watt power. This is 15 ampere main cord and the length is quite short. So for in my case, I will use heavy duty extension cord. So here is one air outlet in the back side. So while cooking, the hot air will pass out from this vent. This is our cooking basket. As you can see, it's very smooth while coming out. The cooking basket is also very spacious, so it's compatible for 5 to 6 persons. This cooking basket has a glass panel, so while cooking you can easily check your food. The basket is Teflon coated, so the food will not stick. And the handle is also very sturdy, so overall the material is very nice. This is one cooking rack, so while cooking we have to use it. So let me show you how we can use this rack in this air fryer. First let's remove the wrapper. So this is how the cooking rack looks. So first we have to pull out the basket. Then we have to simply insert the rack into the basket. So whatever food you want to cook, you have to simply place it over it, and again you have to insert this basket to the fryer. So overall I have explained you about this air fryer. So now it's time to plug on the device. It's a digital air fryer, so it's a power button as you can see. So you have to press it for 3 seconds, then the device will be on. So by default the timer will be 15 minutes and the temperature will be 200 degrees. Here in the right side you can adjust the time, and here in the left side you can adjust the temperature. Let me show you how it works. When I press the minus button, the temperature is decreasing like 195, 190, again then 185 and so on. And when I press the plus button, temperature will increase like 180 to 190, then 190 to 195, plus then 200 and so on. So 200 is the maximum temperature limit. Just like the temperature button, we have to follow the same process to adjust the time as well. When we press the minus button, the time will decrease, and when we press the plus button, the time will increase. There are 8 preset menus located in the first line. So here is meat, poultry, third one is prawn, shrimp, fourth is fish, pizza, fries, cake and dehydrate. And this one is the preset key. When you press it, you can switch it from one menu to another menu. Let me show you how it works. When you press it, so the menu will be activated. So first menu is the meat menu. Second time if you press it, then the second menu, the poultry menu will be activated, and it will be working like this. So whatever menu is set, the icon will blink. Right now the fish menu has been activated because the fish icon is blinking. For fish menu, The by default temperature is 180 and the timer is 18. If you want to adjust the timer and the temperature, you can simply adjust it with the plus and minus button. So after adjusting the menu, you have to gently press the power button which is blinking and the cooking process will start. So beside the power button you can see one light is rotating, which means the food is cooking. Friends, as I told you, there is a glass panel attached with the basket, so at the time of cooking you can easily check your food. The power button is the main button. It also works as a pause and play button. If you want to pause your cooking, you have to simply press it once, and after 5 to 6 seconds the machine will turn off. Then you can take out your basket. Now, as I told you in the beginning of the video that in the end of this video I will share one recipe by using this air fryer. So I have taken 5 chicken drumsticks. Firstly, let's make some slits into the chicken. Then I am adding chicken tikka masala which I purchased from Amazon. After that I am adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar and only 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. And I will not add any extra salt because it's already added into the masala, and we'll mix it very well. And we have to marinate the chicken for 1 hour. Now we'll make the chicken tikka masala into the air fryer. So first let's pull out the basket and insert the rack into it. Let's brush the rack with some oil. Now let's put the chicken pieces onto the rack. Now gently reinsert the basket to the machine. Now let's switch on the machine, and the power button is blinking, so we have to press it for 2 to 3 seconds and the device will turn on. Then we have to press the preset button and the chicken icon will blink as I told you. Look, it's blinking. And again we have to slightly press the power button. Then the cooking process will start. Here in the side of the device it's written that light switching on and off is normal, which means while cooking sometimes the light will be on and automatically it will be off to save the energy. So no need to worry, it's a normal thing. Right now the light is on and after some time it will be off. Look, right now the light is off. So as I told you, it's a normal function. So after half time let's pause the cooking. So we have to gently press the power button and after 5 to 6 seconds the machine will turn off. And after that we can gently pull out the basket and we can check our food. So while cooking this dish, let's discuss the pros and cons of this air fryer. So first I will discuss the pros. As I told you, it's a 6-liter air fryer with 1500 watt power supply. If you're looking for an air fryer for 5 to 6 people, then you can definitely choose this one. The basket is dishwasher friendly and it's a well Teflon coated, which means your food will not stick into the basket. As it is 1500 watt air fryer, so your food will cook very fast. There is a separate glass panel, so while cooking you can easily check your food from outside, and the device looks very stylish, so it's a stylish addition to your kitchen. Now let's discuss about the brand. The brand name is Faber. It's a leading kitchen appliances manufacturer with Italian origin, which means the brand is trustworthy. This air fryer comes under 2 years of warranty and 1 year of extended warranty. If you wish, you can purchase extended warranty as well. So in total, you will get 3 years of warranty. Now let's discuss about the negative point. So from my point of view, there is only one con. I am little bit disappointed about the length of the power cord because it's too short. You have to rely on your heavy duty extension cord. So that's it. Otherwise the air fryer is very good. The functioning is very nice, very easy. So look, our chicken is ready. It looks crispy outside and obviously it will be juicier inside. Now I will reveal the price of the air fryer. I purchased it from Amazon.in from Great Indian Festival with a huge discount. The original price of this device is 19,990, but I only paid 5,390 rupees. So if you're looking for an air fryer with a low budget and the capacity of 6 liters, then obviously you can add this air fryer into your wish list. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts. So if you like this unboxing and review video, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. And in my future videos, I will share some air fry recipe videos as well. So stay tuned. Till then, take care and bye-bye.